Okay, guys. So we got a lot of stuff done in the yard today. I'm tired. Coder's a little bit tired, but look how good he is. He's sweet. Okay, so we got a little top dressing down in. Getting ready to put those little plants in. Got to finish up this side, but I got all the compost around on here. And usually what I do is sprinkle the compost and then kind of dig it in with the rake. So it looks a little bit cleaner. You know, you freshen up the mulch a little bit that's already there. But I wanted to, and then this part is a problem spot for me. So I did have to spray a little bit right around where the fence is. And then I'll put the mulch on top of there and just go on down the line with my bags. And if I need some more bags, I'll get some more. But the part across over here on the fence, I don't want to trip. That part is mulched really thick, so I think I'm good there. And then I'll just finish mulching this side of the bed, and I'll mulch on the other side just a little bit, because that one has a thick part. But I didn't want to have the video going while I was working, because as you can hear, they're doing a lot of yard work down the street, and they just never end. They do it all day on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I didn't want y'all to hear all that. And then I had some plants that just came in. My God, why are they so small? I didn't think they'd be that tiny when I ordered them, but you know, it is what it is. It's some sedum that we talked about. So the sedum is going to go here somewhere. I really don't want it in the center right there. Let's see if I can get my big old finger. So I don't want it in the center right here. I've had them there before, and I just want to kind of leave that space open because I'm trying to figure out some stuff. So what we talked about in the last video is putting some kind of evergreens up. And so we'll have evergreens under my finger here. So here's the weeping red bud. So I think something right up in here, something up in here, you know it's where my finger's going, and then something here. And I think the bottle tree is gonna have to move. Maybe the bottle tree should go in front of the house, I don't know. Or maybe it should go here once we get the siding done, but that project keeps getting pushed back further and further. If I mention siding one more time, I'm just gonna scream because it's not going up and I'm getting mad. So I think maybe I should have one on each side, but the little rose that I had going over there is still green. That little stick is still green, so I'm wondering if I should just leave it and see what happens, but we'll see. So everything's actually doing pretty good. The two roses I transplanted actually have new growth. Ooh, B. Oh shit. Okay, B. I'm sorry. Okay. Look at that new growth. I can't believe it. I didn't think they would get new growth because they look like they were struggling, but they like this spot, so we're here. Okay. And so what I did, I got more phlox, and I have a butterfly bush in there. I know that you're saying, are you kidding me? This little stick is a butterfly bush. Lord help me. I didn't know it was that small. I didn't pay attention. I was like, ooh, butterfly bush. And then I have 3 of the sedums. Then I'll get these in the ground because Lord knows I killed one of the junipers. I'm so mad. So anyway, Coda's being such a good boy. And we got these beds cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead and finish throwing down this mulch real quick. It has been raining off and on for the last week. And then, of course, Sydney's birthday is tomorrow, so she was out yesterday, well, actually Saturday, Sunday. Then she'll be out next weekend, so she won't be doing any of the videos for me, so I'll come in here and dump a couple of videos in between hers. And then we cleaned out a little bit of this front bed, you know, but we're not doing anything to it. We're just kind of letting stuff go as it is. So, but for right now, just laying down, you know, spreading out a little compost, digging it in. And then putting down, well, the manure, composted manure, and then putting down mulch on top. And you know, I don't do a very heavy dressing for my beds because it gets so warm down here and the winters are so mild. I really don't want things trying to grow midwinter and then we get a frost and then my plants die. So I really try not to do it too heavy and too thick down here. If I was up north, I would, but for right now, no. I'm not going to do that. So for right now, it's just a nice light coating. You know, it looks like I have a big pile, but then once I spread it out, of course, it thins out some. So that's what we're doing today. You guys, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.